close together.
For a solid.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it.
They don't move freely.
They don't move freely. Exactly. Exactly.
Something,
Yeah.
something that you can make a shape out of.
Yeah, not exactly. But basically, that's one thing you're supposed to remember. That when we are talking about solids, right, the particles, they are closely packed together. They are closely packed together and they do not move freely. Are we together? The particles, they do not move freely. So like when you are drawing the pattern, like this is the pattern that I showed you. Like the particles, they are what? Closely packed together. Are we together? And then they do not move freely. They do not vibrate freely. Right. And again, they've got a what? A fixed shape. Are we together? They've got a fixed shape. And then I want you to tell me, because we have to talk, you know. It's not me who is just supposed to what? To explain to you. Right? I want you to also tell me what we did yesterday. Right? So I want you to tell me now about liquids. We talked about solids, so now tell me about liquids.
Something you can make a shape out of.
Okay. I want you to remember this. Liquids. What did I say about the shape? Like if you pour them into a certain container, what do they do?
They form a shape like just like the container.
Yeah, exactly. So you just say they take the shape of the what? Of the container. I'm sure I gave you an example of a Coca-Cola, right? And also of a cup, right? So the liquids, they actually take the shape of the what? Of the container. Of course, the particles, they are close together, but they are not closely packed together like solids, right? The particles, they move, although if they don't move as much as what happens in what? In gases. Are we together? And then what about gases? What about gases?
This is something that you cannot see. Something you can feel. You can't feel.
Like what about when we are discussing properties? The first thing that you have to check, are the particles closely packed together or they are not packed together, right?
They're not packed.
They are not packed together, right? So we said the spaces in a gas, they are not closely packed together. They can fill, right, any available space. They can fill in what? In available space, right? So that's one thing you're supposed to know about the gases, right? And the gases, they can fill in available space, right? Is it clear? All right.